Hello guys and welcome to Zig Wheels. We are in Goa where Kawasaki have launched their first made in India motorcycle, the Kawasaki W175. But before we proceed further, let's getting the pricing out of the way. This is the premium variant of the W175 and this is priced at 1,49,000 rupees ex showroom, and this is the base version priced at 1,47,000. Now let's focus back on this motorcycle. First up, the styling. As you can see, the styling is similar to the W175 sold globally. It has those retro elements. You get a circular halogen headlight, there's a circular indicator. Moving at the back, you get a traditional halogen tail light and a halogen indicator. And talking about the tank, again it has that classic tear-shaped fuel tank. You get a nice W badge over here. The fuel tank capacity is 12 liters. And moving at the back, you get a very basic seat with a very basic looking grab rail, and that's the pea shooter styled exhaust muffler. It gets a black finish. You get spoke wheels at either ends and a black treatment on the engine. Now talking about the engine, it is powered by a 177cc single cylinder engine. It produces 13 PS and 13.3 Nm of torque. Power is transmitted to the rear wheel via a 5-speed gearbox. You can see it gets a single lever, which is a bit sporty. So in terms of performance, the specs, they look a bit disappointing because again it's a 177cc motor. The performance is between that of a 125cc and a 150cc motor that's on sale in India. Now moving forward, let's take the hardware on this motorcycle. You get a telescopic fork with a nice retro looking fork gaiters, 17-inch spoke wheel. You get a disc brake with single channel ABS, and at the back again 17-inch wheels, but you get drum brakes. So this is a single channel ABS motorcycle. Now talking about features, you get a very simple looking semi digital instrument console. You get a lot of telltale lights, small LCD display over here for your fuel gauge, trip, odometer and clock, and that's the switch gear. Again pretty basic, quality is decent, and that's on the right hand side. I'll ask my friend Janak to start the bike. And let's hear the exhaust note. So that's the exhaust note of the motorcycle. Did you like the exhaust note or not? Do let us know in the comments. And as I said, this is the first made in India motorcycle from Kawasaki, so all the components are localized, and again it's the most affordable Kawasaki bike on sale in India. Kawasaki says the bookings for this motorcycle will start today, but deliveries will only commence in December, so that's a long time away. Again, the prices are introductory and they might see a revision in the coming few months. In terms of competition, given the price, it competes against the Royal Enfield Hunter 350 and the TVS Ronin. So in terms of competition, the Kawasaki W175 has very tough competition, and in that sense we aren't too sure about its pricing and positioning. What do you guys think? Do let us know in the comments. We will be riding this motorcycle only in December, so whatever are your thoughts about this motorcycle or any queries, do mention them in the comment section, and thank you for watching.